Okay, just a little short video, just for those people that are concerned about how to fit this Sinosmart radio. So this is basically the wiring kit that comes with the radio. So this is your CAN bus unit that transfers all your information from your steering wheel controls direct to your radio. This little plug here, the black one, is your main power to the back of the unit, which plugs in there. This is your, if you wanted to, this is your switch, your remote switch for your amplifier. If you wanted to fit an aftermarket amplifier. This plug is for your speakers, so there's all your speakers, and then this other plug is for your power, ignition, memory, and all the other bits like your antennas and stuff like that. Speaking of antennas, this grey one is for your original antenna cable, so that just plugs straight in there, which then converts, there we go, there's your FM, which plugs into the back of your Sinosmart radio. And let me think now. Okay, yeah, and then on to the DAB side of it. So this separate loom that you get, this plugs into the back of your radio, into, let me see, I think it's this port here, or possibly that one. No, it's that port, the longer one. So that is where you get your video out if you want to put videos into screens into the back of your headrest, rear headrests, and your subwoofer out for your aftermarket subwoofer. Also, it houses the SIM card unit if you want to put a SIM card in, and also subwoofers, that's what I've just said. Yeah, and then these two here are what will connect the AUX-L in, AUX-R in, go onto this wiring loom, the other wiring loom, AUX-RL and R right, which is, it's basically red to red, white to white, and then you're done. And then this next one that comes off the wiring loom, ignore the green tape, that's just me, so they don't so they stay connected and the wiring looms all stay together. So the next one is your yellow plug, and on it is your, believe it or not, your camera video in, which is just this little plug here, which then plugs into, I think it's this one here, so everything works. So there you go. Like I say, it's all plug and play, very easy. Oh yeah, there's a couple of other things that I've not shown you. So you've got your 4G antenna, which goes on there, and your GPS antenna for your sat nav, which comes with adapters as well, which will fit direct on. Which will fit direct. Like I say, this is your 4G sticky back antenna, so that will be connecting to there, and you stick to the back of your bulkhead, and yeah, like I say, your GPS antenna screws into there, and this is the free adapters that you'll get in the kit if you mention my YouTube channel. That will then go to your blue original car antenna, because your blue will go to your GPS, and like I say, it makes everything factory standard. And then also you will get a adapter. This one plugs into, let me think, yeah, that one there. So this one plugs into there. So this is your extra USBs that you'll get. So one of them is a spare one, doesn't matter which one, and then the other one you will plug in the DAB dongle, and that is what your other adapter plugs into one end, and the other end goes into the USB plug, what I've just shown you. And then this adapter will plug into your brown original Nissan radio for your DAB. And then there's just one last thing. It comes in a package just like this. That's your extra mic antenna that plugs into the original wiring loom that I've shown you just before. You'll find it's a 3.5mm jack. And obviously that's pretty much what you get in the kit. It's all plug and play, very easy. It's all here, all laid out. You even get a dash removal tool, and most of the kits, if they've not run out, comes with a cleaning cloth, microfiber cleaning cloth, to clean your screen, or to put your new unit on while you're installing all the cables, as to not scratch the lovely finish on it. Okay, any questions or comments, pop down below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you again later.